Welcome, today in front of me Vivo Y01, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds section. Now just to unmute the ringtone, you should swipe this blue dot to the left side with your finger, by this way. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that here in the volume button control you got selected the ringtone one, and now just press your up volume button, and as can you see we just successfully unmute our ringtone volume. And also the third is a way, just press your up or down volume button, and by swipe with your finger to the up this blue dot you can also unmute the ringtone volume on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.